So first, welcome you in Hyderabad city. I mean, you keep traveling to now south more.
Yes, thank you so much. I do live in Hyderabad often. Thank you so much for
Okay.
having me.
So what's plans like? We are hearing that after a reality show, you're exploring more of Telugu projects.
Yeah, I actually did my debut with Ravi Teja sir 2 years ago. Currently, I just finished working with Rowdy Pictures for a movie, Nayantara Ma'am's production. And right now, I'm shooting with Ravi Teja sir again, Ashika Ranganathan, Ravi Teja sir.
Wow. So how's the experience going on? You can just elaborate how they on the sets and being a glamorous lady, how you're treating them.
Well, thank you for that. I love being on set with these people because one thing I've noticed about South actors, they're really punctual. They're super punctual, super motivated, and it's very crisp and clean and very smooth to work with them. Everything happens in a certain way, and I honestly love working down South.
What style mean for you?
I think style and glamour both mean confidence. You could be wearing a garbage bag, but if you have confidence, you can really hold that.
But you love designing your own dresses or you just go by the designers?
Yeah, actually, when I was in Big Boss, everybody kept asking me who was your stylist. They were all my outfits, guys. Everything was my own. But today I'm wearing the designer Siddharth and Nisha. They're from Bombay. I just felt like Filmfare South needed this.
Yeah, because pearls are heart of Hyderabad. So I can see more of the pearls you are using on your dress today.
There we go. Thank you so much.
So what's your favorite color or like what kind of dresses you're more fond of?
My favorite color would be pink. I am a girly girl. And favorite kind of dresses, honestly, anything. It's on the mood, on the day. Like some days I'm flowy, some days I'm tight fit, some days I'm covered, some days like everything and anything.
So who's your favorite style icon in an industry?
In Bollywood, definitely Alia Bhatt. I love how she carries herself. Like I adore that woman.
Okay.
I would do anything to see her Alia Bhatt. I love how she carries herself. Like I said, a person who can wear anything and look good. I love Alia Bhatt. And
That's true.
down south, you know who I love? Kirti Shetty.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. I must. You're enjoying food also?
I love food. Hyderabad food is it. Like it's very difficult for me to diet when I'm in Hyderabad.
Okay, so
The
what about?
biryanis, the ragi mudda,
Oh my God, you learned
everything,
everything.
everything. I love Hyderabadi food.
So what are the what huge thing you have in your cupboard? Earrings, dress, bangles, your
What is the
biggest collection you have?
Would be my bags for sure. I have a lot of clothes.
Numbers. Let's talk on numbers.
I'd say 32 as of now.
Not bad. I mean, you're shopping, you're bag lover.
Unfortunately, when I'm upset, I go buy a designer bag. Every time I'm upset, like that's my way of like making myself feel
That's a
better.
good tip to de-stress yourself.
Do not. That's not a good tip. Do not listen to her. That's never a good tip. It's gonna hurt your bank balance and your wallet.
So how
Don't
you,
be me.
But how you see Big Boss like now, and the scenario in Telugu also Big Boss is very popular. How you see that?
I think Big Boss is the ultimate platform that helps you get the kind of fame you want. That being said, it's one of the biggest reality shows that we have in India, and I'm super grateful that I could be part of it. It really did change my life. I did do my debut a few years ago, and I was semi known, but then Big Boss really gave me that push that I needed in my life. So, yeah, I really appreciate being
Three
part of
things
it.
you have learned from Big Boss, and three things one should never do. You have to give advice to others. Upcoming episode.
Three things I learned from Big Boss. When you don't get enough ration and you're, irritable because like the food is less, don't use that irritableness to fight. Because most of the time I was hangry. I was not just angry, I was hangry. And then second thing I would say is don't trust people too easily because there were a lot of instances in Big Boss where you would trust the wrong people because you're blindsided. You don't know, you don't get to see every corner. So I think those were the two things that I would like best of luck to the
Third.
third.
Come on.
Mm,
You really learned hard. So you know how to make a budget now, right? A good budget of ration.
girl, I'd say no. I'm horrible at budgeting. Like budgeting is not my thing.
Okay.
Like today money comes in, tomorrow it's gone.
Oh my God.
It's never here. It's out.
So what are the tips you're giving to all the other contestants who are going to participate in next episode?
I think just showcase your real self because it's very important. Most of the time, many of the seasons that I've seen people try to put on a different persona. But you know what the problem with that is? It doesn't last. Eventually, your colors will start fading out, and people will be able to see the black and the whites. So you might as well go with how you are. Like that's how I went. What I was on the show is actually what I am in real life. Yeah.
So that's great. I mean, it was wonderful talking to you. And you can proceed for the next interviews because people are waiting for you. And keep coming to Hyderabad. And congratulations for your Telugu project. Thank you
I
so
really
much.
appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.